Coach Majors on their first day at work.
Alright, welcome to our weekly meeting. I'll go ahead and tell you what you need to do this week. So first, I'll spin up a Docker container running Alpine Linux, and I'll containerize the front end and back end separately to maintain a microservice architecture. I'll use Kubernetes to manage the deployment, but you might as well make it scalable from the jump. So we'll run the back end in Node.js with Xbrand, front end in React with TypeScript. So I'll integrate Redis for in-memory caching, even though we don't need it. PostgreSQL for data.
I'm ready to work.
Alright, what we need you to do is water all of the plants we have.
First day on the job, what are they gonna make me do? Design a wind turbine? Create a high-speed gearbox? I can't wait to see what I make. Hey boss, what kind of work do you need me to do today?
Can you just tighten the screws on that machine?
Okay, yeah, did you need me to design it on SolidWorks?
No, just use the power drill.